Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz. Today, we're going to be unboxing the August subscription bag for Sparkle & Co. Safari Goddess collection. I am subscribed to the monthly dip powder bag. It does come with this sparkly rose gold kind of clutch bag that can be used to spice up any outfit, but also can be used to put makeup in or just store some of your goodies in there. This retails for $30 and it comes with 3 dips and a liquid. The first color is number SB119 and it is what I'm wearing on my index and my middle finger. This is what the dip looks like. It's really sparkly and it kind of gives a leopard-esque feel to the nail as a whole without actually having to do all the leopard work. This is hashtag ferociously fierce. The next color is a beautiful sage green SB120 and is called Goddess of the Grasslands, and it is a solid sage green. It also looks a little bit like olive green, but it is not super deep. It's a beautiful green shade, as you can see here, like a sage slash olive color. The next one up is SB121, another sunset photo. This is a very glittery orangey type of color. It totally does look like a sunset in a dip powder container, and it does have like a little bit of a rose gold hue to it, as well as oranges and gold. Really beautiful. And the liquid that we have this month is the Solidify number 3, which is basically the activator that makes everything nice and hard. We did get a few little bonus little gifts here. First one being a discount code to Pura Vida. That's one of the things that Sparkle & Co. subscription bags do. They collaborate with other brands and includes them in some of their bags that they have, just depending on the price level that you choose is the different items that you can have, and they always include a cute little sticker and is themed for the month. For the look that I did this set here, I included this black. It's called Midnight and it's DP37. This is one of their permanent colors in the collection and it is a true magical black. So if you have been looking for a black dip powder, this one is great. That is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, Bebecitas. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.